Have you ever seen people play basketball? How do they make sure the ball can be scored? Or have you ever seen a water rocket? How can a water rocket go so far? Most of these examples illustrate the concept of the projectile motion.
So, what is projectile motion? Projectile means that it is launched or projected.
A projectile is any body that is given an initial velocity and then followed by a path determined by the effects of gravitational acceleration and air resistance. And its motion is called projectile motion. The path followed by a projectile is called its trajectory. Projectile motion consists of two components, which are horizontal component or x component and vertical component or y component. The horizontal motion and vertical motion are independent of each other. Now, let us see the side view of this projectile motion. From point A to C is the horizontal displacement or range, and the symbol is Sx. While from A to B is the vertical displacement or maximum height, and the symbol is Sy. Now let us see the point A to C. The vertical displacement Sy will equal to 0. At the maximum height, the velocity of the y component Vy is equal to 0. But the velocity of the x component Vx is equal to the initial velocity of the x component Ux. Now let us see the equation involved in this projectile motion. The equation will be separated to the x component and y component. So the first physical quantity is acceleration. The projectile has no horizontal acceleration or Ax equal to 0. For vertical acceleration or Ay is always constant, which is equal to 9.81 meter per second square and always directed vertically downward. Second physical quantity is initial velocity. Horizontal initial velocity Ux equal to u cos theta, while vertical initial velocity Uy equal to u sin theta. The third physical quantity is velocity. Horizontal velocity Vx is constant, which is equal to the horizontal initial velocity Ux. While for the vertical velocity, we can use any one, either Vy equal to Uy minus gt, nor Vy square equal to Uy square minus 2gsy. The resultant velocity V is equal to square root of Vx square plus Vy square. And the direction is theta equal to arctan Vy over Vx. And the fourth physical quantity is displacement. Horizontal displacement or range Sx equal to Uxt, while vertical displacement Sy equal to Uyt minus half gt square. Or we can use back the equation Vy square equal to Uy square minus 2gsy to find the vertical displacement.